In this video, let's see how to make a resume on Google Docs. First, go to Google Docs and click Blank Document. Let's set up the page. Type your name at the top. This should stand out, it's the first thing people see. Below the name, add your professional title. It gives a quick idea of what you do. Now insert a horizontal line to separate the header from the rest. Add your contact details, keep them short and professional. Next, add a professional summary. Just a few lines about who you are, what you're good at, and what kind of role you're aiming for. Now add your work experience. Start with your latest job. And list a few key points for each. Then add your education section. Include your degree, university name, and graduation year. Lastly, create a skills section at the bottom. Focus on tools, software, or abilities that match the kind of job you're applying for. And that's it, your resume is ready. Finally, from the File menu, you can share your resume with others, or download it in Microsoft Word, PDF, and other formats. You can download this resume template for free in Google Docs or MS Word using the link in the description. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more resume tutorials. Thanks for watching.